Hi guys, I'm going to read you Clifford's Animal Sounds by Norman Bridwell. Clifford is on the farm today. He listens to what the animals say. The cow says, "Moo." The owl says, "The bird says," and the mouse says, the duck says, and the hen says, and the sheep says, the cat says, meow. It's Clifford's turn now. What does Clifford say? Clifford says, bow wow. That's it. The end.
I'm going to read you guys Baby Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Baby Bear, what do you see? I see a red fox slipping by me. Red fox, what do you see? I see a flying squirrel gliding by me. Flying squirrel, what do you see? I see a mountain goat climbing near me. Mountain goat, what do you see? I see a blue heron flying by me. Blue heron, what do you see? I see a prairie dog digging by me. Prairie dog, what do you see? I see a striped skunk strutting by me. Uh-oh, stinky skunk. Striped skunk, what do you see? I see a mule deer running by me. Mule deer, what do you see? I see a rattlesnake sliding by me. Rattlesnake, what do you see? I see a screech owl hooting at me. Ooh, screech owl, what do you see? I see a mama bear looking at me. Mama bear, what do you see? I see a red fox, a flying squirrel, a mountain goat, a blue heron, a prairie dog, a striped skunk, a mule deer, a rattlesnake, a screech owl, and my baby bear looking at me. That's what I see. The end.